Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of AI not working on the application of Gemini. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about Gemini and you will click here. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Then we go to Play Store, you will search about Gemini. Here you can uninstall your app and you can install it again, so please don't forget to support us by liking.